Welcome students. In this video we will solve second problem of plane scale. Problem goes like this. The distance between Delhi and Saharanpur is 180 km. A passenger train covers distance in 6 hours. Construct a plane scale to measure up to single minute. RF is given. Indicate on this scale distance covered in 34 minutes. Okay. So RF is 1 is to 2 lakh. Okay. So maximum length is 30 kilometer. So why it is 30 kilometer? Because we are given distance covered by train is 80 kilometer. So 80 kilometers covered in 66 hours. So 6 hours corresponds to 180 kilometer, and we are to show this time of 34 minutes on this scale. So for 34 minutes we round off. So if we draw a scale for 1 hour, so for 1 hour the distance covered is 30 kilometer. Okay. So the maximum length was not given directly, but with the relation that 6 hours time is taken to cover 180 kilometers, we found out that 1 hour time taken is for 30 kilometers. So 30 kilometers is covered in 1 hour. So if we construct a scale for 1 hour, so we can easily measure 34 minutes. Okay, or we'll consider 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So we are drawing a scale in which time is 60 minutes, and on this 60 minutes we will represent 34 minutes and convert these minutes into kilometers using the relation over here. 1 hour is equal to 30 kilometers. So distance covered in 1 hour is 30 kilometers. Now we'll calculate the length of scale. So RF is 1 is to 2 lakh. Maximum length is equal to 30 kilometer because we are drawing a scale for 60 minutes. From this relation, distance covered in 60 minutes is 30 kilometer. So LOS is 1 is to 2 lakh into 3 kilometers, converting into centimeters, we get 15 centimeter. So length of scale is 15 centimeter. So we can say the 60-minute time or 30 kilometer distance is represented by a length of 15 centimeter. Okay. So this scale of 15 centimeter will represent 60 minutes and 30 kilometer simultaneously. So we'll start with construction of the scale. So length of scale is 15 centimeters. So we'll draw a line equal to 15 centimeter. Now this line represents 60 minutes. Okay. So and we are to show single minute and measure 34 minutes. So we have tens of minutes as the bigger unit. So we divide by 10 and we get 6. So we'll divide this line into 6 equal parts and each part will represent 10 minutes. So draw an acute angle to this line. Draw arcs of equal length dividing this line into 6 equal parts. Join the sixth part with the end point of the line. Draw lines parallel to this line. Okay, complete the scale. Draw this line 20 to 25 mm. Complete the box. Mark the divisions, 6 divisions. Now each division is representing 10 minutes. So here we write 0, 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. Besides measuring minutes, this is also measuring a distance of 30 kilometers. Okay. So we have divided into 6 equal parts. So each part is representing 5 kilometers. Because in 60 minutes, distance covered is 30 kilometer. Okay. By the given relation. So we have divided this into 6 equal parts. So each part is representing 5 kilometers. Here we write 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 and this first part is 5 kilometers. So the bigger units are complete. Now we will divide into smaller units to measure single minute. Okay. Draw an acute angle. Divide into 10 equal parts. With the help of compass. Join the 10th part with the 0 and draw parallel lines to this line. Draw a horizontal line in the first box. And this is 0, this first division. Draw a line perpendicular to the base up to the midpoint of the, up to the center of this, up to this middle line. From second division, draw a line up to the top. So all the odd divisions are drawn up to the middle line and all the even divisions are drawn up to the top for differentiating between the divisions. Okay. So now we have divided this into 10 equal parts. So this was representing 10 minutes. So each smaller division is representing single minute. Okay. In terms of kilometer, this is representing 5 kilometers, the bigger box, and we have divided to 10 equal parts. So bigger box is representing 5 kilometers, divided 10 equal parts. So each smaller box is representing 0.5 kilometers. Okay. So each smaller division is representing 0.5 kilometers over here. So first of all, we are given the time 34 minutes. So we will mark the time of 34 minutes and we find corresponding distance on the scale. So for marking 34 minutes, we choose 0 and 30. So this is our 30 minutes from 0 to 30. Now there are 4 minutes which are taken from these divisions, 4 divisions which are representing single minute. So 30 plus 4 is 34 minutes and this is the dimension for 34 minutes and the distance traveled in 34 minutes. So if we want to find out the distance, it is 15 over here. Okay. So from here to here 15 and we are on the 4th division and each small division is representing 0.5 kilometers. So it comes out to be 2 more kilometers. 15 plus 2 is equal to 17. So these are 2 kilometers. Here we have 15 kilometers because each small part is representing 0.5 kilometers and we are taken 4 divisions from it. So it comes out to be 2 kilometers. 15 plus 2 it is 17 kilometers. Okay. Now thing which you should understand in this problem is that we have shown two units. One is of the time, other is of the distance on same scale. Okay. The difference is their division. We have marked the division according to the time because we were given the time 34 minutes. So we divide the 60 minutes into 6 equal parts representing 10 minutes by the bigger part, and each smaller portion is representing single minute, and we have converted that into distance by the relation which is 60 minutes. Distance covered in 60 minutes is 30 kilometers. So each bigger part is representing 5 kilometers and each smaller part is representing 0.5 kilometers. So the distance corresponding to 34 minutes is 17 kilometers. So thank you.